Hey, do you want to learn how to change background in Insta360 Link 2? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So currently I've got this Insta360 Link controller opened up. And if you want to learn how to download it, I've made a video on it. You can check it out at the end on the right hand side in a playlist. All right, so once you're here on the top right, you're going to find effects, click on it, then scroll down. You're going to find background here. And this first icon, this cancel icon, is that I've not selected any background at the moment. I can also add my own background if I want to with this plus icon. And there's blur. So I can press on it and it's going to add blur. And it's going to add blur to my background. And you can see there's some inconsistencies, like the blur is coming on my microphone here, which I really do not like. So the overall blur effect, I would rate it like 2 out of 5. Compared to this, there is this bokeh effect, which is not supported at 4K resolution. So I need to select from here on the bottom left, change it to 1080p. After that, I would be able to select bokeh. You can see the bokeh effect is much nicer. It creates this nice bokeh effect. And I can also increase the intensity here. Of course, it's not going to be as good as a mirrorless camera, but it's still nice. The one major drawback of bokeh effect is that if I show you this task manager, you can see that the CPU percentage is increased a lot. So that's one of the major drawbacks I feel. So if you're doing streaming and you're playing a game and you're showing your webcam, it's going to lag because of this. In my opinion, I would say just turn it off and do not even use the virtual cam, which gets enabled because you have enabled the background. Go over here, turn it off. If you remove your background or add bokeh or blur or anything, it automatically enables the virtual camera. It's needed, otherwise it would not work. And also with Insta360 Link virtual camera, it does not support 50 FPS or 60 FPS. So you do need to turn it off in order for it to work. All right, so I'm going to show you the background removal and adding the other backgrounds. So let's click here. There you go. It has now removed my background and added this type of a background. It's not able to detect the mic over here, so it does not feel realistic. Anyone can tell it's not realistic. And yeah, this one as well. It's even cutting me out now. Yeah, not that good. Now, there's also this video. So you can replace your background like that. You can have video behind. Works, but again, if I show you the performance here in Task Manager, you can see that it takes up a lot of resources. I've got a RTX 2060 card, so I can also use the NVIDIA broadcast in order to remove the background and such. It works completely fine. So it's not needed that you need to use the Insta360 Link controller software in order to remove the background. You can just use NVIDIA broadcast for it if you've got any of these RTX cards. All right, I'm going to turn it off and let's try out our own background. I'm going to put it inside. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, then scroll down. Let's choose one of these. Okay, it says its supported video formats are MP4 and MOV and JPEG and PNG. So let's go over here again. Okay, let's select this one. And there you go. It now added that background that we added here. And we can remove it from here if you want. There's a bin icon, like a red bin icon. I can click on it to remove it. And let's try adding an MP4 video as well. Okay, the maximum supported size for the MP4 video is going to be 20 MB. Let's use this one. So I'm going to double click on it. Okay, there you go. Now you can see that there's a video playing behind. Of course, it's an AI video that I took out from Luma AI. So yeah, that's what it is. And it's going to loop as well. And if you want to remove it, just click here to remove. And yeah, that's it. That's how to change the background in Insta360 Link 2. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And I've also shown you some drawbacks, the high CPU usage, etc. On the right hand side, you can find more Insta360 Link 2 related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.